Hello everyone, I'm here to show you one of the most natural wigs I have ever came across so far. Honestly, I was very afraid to try this texture just because of how it looks, but you're going to be surprised when you see the finished results. Right now, I'm just showing you the knots have been bleached. I use a 30 volume and B2W lightening powder. I've washed the bleach off. It's on my head. And now we're going to go ahead and apply a foundation that's closest to your skin. I'm opening up some of the parts just so you can see how natural this really looks. I did not do any additional plucking to this wig. It came like this, and I'm so very glad and thankful that it didn't come with a super thick hairline. But now we're just going to go ahead, after you've applied the foundation closest to your skin, really quick, I only use cream or liquid foundation. I never use powder. Powder isn't pigmented enough to give you the results that you're going to need. Go ahead and cut the lace off, and the glue that I'm going to be using today is the Bold Hold Active. This is the glue from their new collection. I'm not sure if it's released to the public yet, but it's very, very awesome. I love the original Bold Hold, but this one is super, super duper literally bold holding. I only used one layer just because I'm not going to wear it that long, but honey, this thing is sticking really, really tight. It also comes with a glue remover, and it honestly breaks the glue down. With a few rubs, your glue will be off in no time. Now, after you apply the glue into the lace, or the lace into the glue, you're just going to put your blow dryer on a warm temperature. Press it down with your fingers just a little bit, or you can use your comb, and you're going to melt that lace into the lace. Wait, that doesn't sound right, but you get what I'm trying to say. You're going to melt your lace. Then you're going to proceed with your styling process. I'm going to show you guys a few different styles just because I got so happy about how this came out, and I wanted a super duper melted hairline, so that's why I went ahead and used the glue for you guys. And also to show you how well the Bold Hold really works. I'm really loving this wig, and right now it's puffy, but we're gonna press it out a little bit. I'm not gonna press it out a lot, just a tad bit. And as you all know, if you don't know, I love BioSilk. My husband's handing me the hot comb now. But if it's too hot close to your lips, you're not gonna touch your lips, but if it's too hot close to your lips, that means it's too hot to go on your hair. Just look how satisfying that is. I really, really love this. Like, this is honestly the first wig I've ever had that matched closest to my hair texture. It looks like I got a fresh perm, almost. And all of you, love yourself. Stop wearing weave. People, please get off my videos. We love ourselves, but we want to be able to switch it up. So, bye. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you all some of the different styles that I'm going to do. Stay tuned. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. One thing that I really love about this company, the hairline came pre-plucked. This hair, I don't know how it looks to you guys on the video, but it's very, very soft. It doesn't tangle. It doesn't have a rough feel to it at all. It feels really, really good. Also, the lace is like super undetectable. And yes, we all know the lace is there. Gee whiz, gee willikers, but it's like, what lace?